It's about 6:30 in the morning, and I've been out here picking off those slugs off of these greens. And because I know that after we have a lot of rain, the garden is flooded with the leeches, slugs, or whatever they called. So since I know that we're going to have rain all this week, because I was trying to let these turnips grow very big, big. And but since I know that we're going to have rain all this week, and my turnip greens have already been attacked, I think I'm going to go ahead and harvest my greens because it's planning on raining all this week. Well, I guess about 15 or whatever. I don't think maybe that long. I've chopped down from the baby greens to the larger greens, and I feel like I am so appreciative. It's like if only I'd have known then what I know now. Years ago, I wish I'd have known then what I know now. Grow your food. It's like a feeling that it's a glorious feeling. But I'm thankful for my harvest. Thank you, Father.